This literature kit on the Secret Garden by Frances Hodgson Burnett is comprised of worksheets that are perfect for small group and individualized work. Enter a world filled with magic and wonder, and explore the healing power of nature. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Students imagine how Mary will spend her time at the manor. Examine the changes happening to Mary as she explores the gardens. Answer multiple-choice questions about Colin and his mood. Describe some of the magical elements found in the story. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as elaborating on the theme of mood and health from the book and use it to create a new story. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Explore the idea of positive and negative effects on a character's mood with a helpful graphic organizer. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.